Hi everyone, Mrs. Stocking here to help you with your week 11 assignments. I'm going to start with your 4.08 and then just quickly go over your module 4 DBA and exam and then your 5.02 asignación. So for your 4.08 assignment, I'm going to go from the main menu to lessons and I'm going to see here 4.08 and in the asignación tab of that lesson, it tells me that I'm going to attach my answers from work file A, B, and C, or parts A, B, and C to the 4.08 asignación. And I'm also going to go to the discussion group and I'm going to put my part C of my 4.08 in the discussion group. So let's open up the work file here and just get a little bit more details on that. The work file has three different parts here, as you'll see. So part A asks us some questions in Spanish. It says, answer the following questions about the reading and complete Spanish sentences. So I'm going to answer these in Spanish, and I'm just going to go back to Lección in 4.08, and I'm going to see here some different information about the questions that I have in part A. And then I also see some different links that I can use to help me answer those questions. So you're going to answer part A in Spanish using the information in lesson 4.08. You're going to answer part B in English. It says access the 4 websites given in the reading in order to answer the following questions. So there are 4 different websites here, and those are the ones you want to use. And you're going to, again, answer these questions in English. They are asked in English, so that's how you know you're going to answer them in English. And you're going to take these answers and you're going to attach those or just copy and paste them, whatever is easier for you, to the 4.08 assessment. So I could go here to lesson 4.08, or assignment 4.08, I should say, and I can either copy and paste my answers to parts A and B right here, or if I filled out that Word document, I can attach them. I can add file here and then submit it over here. And then for part C, it tells me to go to the discussion group, click on the posting 4.08 discussion, read and respond to the posted prompt in writing from the teacher on the discussion board. But basically all you want to do is answer these. So if you were writing a novel about your community, what one important social issue would you have to write about? And then you're going to answer parts 1 and part 2, and then you're also going to read and respond to another student's. So you can answer parts 1, 2, and 3 right here, and then all you're going to do is go from the main menu to discussion groups, and you're going to click on 4.08, and then here's my name, and to the right of my name I'm going to click on 4.08. And then that's where you see the questions again. So you can see the questions again right here. And then you're also going to see all of your different classmates' responses. So you can read any one of those and respond to it. And then you can click reply to this message right here. There's a couple of different things you could do, but that's probably the easiest, to just click reply to this message. And then you're going to put all your answers right here, and then you're just going to click reply. So that's it for 4.08. For your module 4 exam and DBA, that's when you need to speak with me to get the password to your exam. I would recommend going to module 4 right here, the video tutorial, to review the irregular preterite, because I'm going to ask you about the irregular preterite like you learned in 4.04. I'm also going to ask you about the post office, which you learned in 4.04. I'm going to ask you some questions about double negative expressions like you learned in lesson 4.07, and then also about superlatives like you learned in 4.03. So if you want, just click on this review sheet. Again, I got this right here, review sheet module 4, and it opens up this, we call them hippo sheets, and you'll see negative words down here. You'll see a lot of your telephone vocabulary, your post office vocabulary. You'll see a lot of your different verbs in the irregular preterite. The only thing you don't see here that you will see on your exam is the superlative. So I'll show you where that is. lessons, 4.03, and then you're going to go to your estructuras tab, and that's where you learn how to put these ísimo or ísima, or sometimes they're plural, those endings onto the end of your adjectives. So take a look at 4.03 estructuras, and then you're going to move on in this week to lesson 5.02 as well. So for 5.02, this is like all of your O2 assignments. You're going to open up this work file. Let me close out the other one. And you're going to watch the video in this lesson and fill out the video response chart, all in English. And then you're going to go down to part 2, where it tells you to choose one of the topics below and write a persuasive paragraph in English. Remember that your paragraph needs to be at least 6 to 8 sentences, and you're going to submit parts 1 and 2 as your 5.02 asignación. I hope that helped you with your week 11 assignments.